Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showcasing a DT project for Tsunami Rose for the week of January. This is her new kit. It's just gorgeous. It really is gorgeous. I did a fabric cover with lined fabric, and then I actually did a tutorial, and anyway, it's got no voice on it, so no good to you. But it opens up like this. I've laced it there, and in the front it's got this beautiful pick. You've got a tuck in there, so it's a hidey spot. You've got some textiles. It just come out really, really cute, and I just love the kit. The kit's called Birds, Bees and Peonies. I think you say it. Oh, really not good at saying words. But you got a tuck in there, you got envelopes, and see how I aligned it with the fabric, and I actually double sewed it. But I love the frayed edges, especially when you're doing a one signature. You want to just give it that bit of character. This is in the traveler's notebook size. I laid some lace, or doily I should say. I really enjoyed doing this journal. This journal turned out beautiful. So a lot of sewing in this journal. It's just nice. It really is a really nice kit. It's got so much you can do. Like, you can literally cut this all out and collage, but I wanted it like this because I just feel it looks really good. I printed front to back. So I'd print one side, then I'd just change the paper over to the other side, and it would print out quite nicely. So you've got a lot of journaling space. A lot of journaling space. Very old vintage music page. This is one gorgeous kit. One gorgeous kit. It's beautiful. Beautiful colours. I've not really worked with blues before, so I really like the effect. And I've used bits of doilies for my tabbies. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? Like, you can do so much to this kit. And it's tucked in there. This is an envelope. This comes with the kit. And here's your another little mini envelope from the kit. It's just a beautiful, beautiful kit. I like the grunginess of it, and the colour tones are just gorgeous. I didn't want to do too much to the pages because I was concerned that, because I've got a lot of lace work. And there's a tuck in there. There's a journaling card. It's just gorgeous. So it is a really, really scrumptious kit. All the stuff I've used on this is Tsunami Rose. Even these are. They're Tsunami Rose. For my centre of my signature, again, I utilised a doily. And when I do my signatures, I find the 5-hole pamphlet stitch the best. I just feel it's more sturdier. It's going to hold your journal in better. It just means that you've got to stitch in and out and then come back up to the top. And I just felt the doily really went well with this kit. So there's a lot of journaling space, a lot of journaling cards that you can write behind, and they're so cute. I use some of the journaling cards as tucks. It's just cute. And in this journal, like, you can take it with you anywhere. Like, to me, you can do what you like, really. It's 80 pages, front to back. And typically because of the textures of my pages, I didn't want to add any more to them. Now, I printed on Teastained pages. Tuck there with a little booklet. Like I said, this is all Tsunami Rose's stuff. I don't think I pulled that tight enough. There. It's just really neat. Really neat digicare. I use that part of my envelope as journaling for tuck spots, I should say. Like I said, nothing in this journal is anything but Tsunami Rose. Nice tuck in there. It's even used one of the ephemera kits, the invoicing. It's just gorgeous. And yeah, you got a lot of journaling cards. It's just gorgeous. So you're not lacking an ephemera in this kit. Just wondering if that will fit in there, because that's what I meant to do with that. I specifically made a tuck in there for it to go in, but I might have stuck it down. Yeah, I did. I'll find somewhere else for that. I'll put it here. So it's just really nice journal. Really nice journal to journal in. It's a nice journal if you want to add your own touches to. It's just really, really sweet. This story is beautiful. It sets it off as well. Then you got that tuck there with the bee in her nice floral tuck. It's just gorgeous. That's the back of the journal. And like I said, all you need to do is fold this over. Whoops. Then it is fold this around, and you just either slip it through, or what I aim to do is a pin and pin it there. But this stands around, I think it's 7 by 5, and it is chunky. Like I said, for 80 pages, this is chunky. And looks cute. So you can have it laying around on your dressing table, on your coffee table, ready to journal on. Thanks very much, Tsunami Rose, for having me. I'm DT. You will find the link to Tsunami Rose in the Etsy. If you want to go into my Etsy, all you need to do is click on my name on YouTube, and it takes you straight through to Etsy. So if you click on my channel, it'll take you straight there. So thanks everybody for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you like what I did with this kit. I certainly do. I just think it's an amazing kit to work with. I just love how this turned out. So thank you everybody. Have a lovely holidays and enjoy yourselves, and keep safe please. Till next time. Bye for now.